Hey guys, it's your girl Shay. Welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be like real chill. I'm sorry if y'all hear like a lot of background noise. It's really windy today, like really windy, and the doors is rattling, the lights is shaking. So yeah, if you hear a lot of background noise, that's what's going on. Also, I didn't iron because it's Sunday, and personally it's against my religion to do any work on Sunday. I was just being lazy, so I didn't iron my curtains, I didn't iron my thingy, my robe, and that's how y'all gotta have me today. So anyway, we be fixing these items. Okay, so the way I do my eyebrows is like real different from what a lot of people are accustomed to or used to, just because when it comes to like razors and my face, they will get up. Like I get a lot of ingrown hairs and bumps and stuff like that once I start putting any razors on my face to like remove facial hair. So this is what we're gonna do. You're gonna be needing some cotton wrap. I gotta slap myself, girl.
You, are you dumb?
You're gonna need some cotton rounds, a little bit of alcohol, this, Vaseline, what is his name? Vaseline for intensive care, the Cocoa Radiant with pure cocoa butter in it. It's amazing. And some Nair. These are all things you could find at like your local beauty supply store, local drugstore. So yeah, you're also going to be needing angled brush, like what you use for like liner and all of that. Spoolie, small scissors. Thanks for screaming. And some natural aloe vera. Forgot to mention, you're gonna need a mirror and eyebrow pencil. So y'all noticed a little. Y'all noticed. If you watch my unboxing, my Pure Package unboxing video, then you know where this is from. Period. Icon Cosmetics. Get yourself one. Don't forget to use my code SHAY5. Save some money. That's how we do it. So, oh my god, don't you just hate when this happens? I wanted to be shocked this would happen. Oh my goodness. So if you guys like watch I think that's my very first video on YouTube that I uploaded. It was like a mini pictorial, basically how I groom my eyebrows, because people always ask me about it, especially when they find out that I don't use razors. They're like, oh my god, so what do you do? I was like, let me do this and show y'all. But at that time, I don't know why I filmed it that way. I don't know. But yeah, a lot of you saw the technique and loved it, but preferred me to do like a talk through. A lot of you guys requested it, so finally I'm sitting down to do that for y'all. So the first thing we're gonna do is take our spoolie and just brush our brow hairs. My eyebrow hairs might be just a little bit stubborn today because I had some glue. Like you could still see some of the glue all laying out. So hopefully I could accomplish the look I'm going for. So I did a makeup look last night and I put glue in my eyebrows and yeah. So you're just gonna line your eyebrows the way you would like if you was gonna draw them on. I wish I could do this while looking at you guys, but my camera, I'm recording on my phone today, and the camera on my phone don't give me no like real life justice, if that makes any sense. So yeah, and this is literally like how I underline my brows when I'm about to do my makeup. Like I do the lining under one and then I go over and do the next. Because I need to make sure that they're even. I don't know, this works for me. Some people just do the full brow and then the next one, but because my eyebrows naturally uneven, I just have to do it like this just to make sure I'm doing the right thing. One time for this lighten though, period. So you're just gonna create the shape that you would want, the shape that you desire. Normally, I don't draw all the way up to the beginning of my eyebrow on the top, but because I'm doing this technique today, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna come in closer so y'all can see, like, I hope you can see there's a lot of hair that I left out of this little lining. That's the hair we're gonna be focusing on removing today. Okay, next side. Always doing her own. She don't never listen. Okay. And it's okay if your eyebrows are not twins. If they're like sisters, that's fine. If they're like paternal twins and they're not identical, that's fine. Because you know we're human. Not everything needs to be perfect. But just don't let them be cousins or stepsisters. Because if they're stepsisters, they ain't related at all, and that ain't a good look. So now I'm gonna fill in. I feel like I'm so far from the camera. I really hope y'all can see. But you guys kind of get the gist of what it is that I'm doing. I'm filling in the whole brow, giving myself that block brow look like Helga Pataki. I think that's her name from Hey Arnold.
Oh, Arnold!
I think her name was Helga Pataki. With the fucking unibrow. So yeah. My skin is so dry. If y'all have any, I really need a good skincare routine for like combination skin. More so dry to combination, because most days I'm really dry and then once in a while I'll be oily. Yeah, I couldn't put anything on because I was supposed to put the Nair on my face. Okay, so now that I've filled out my big block brows, I'm going to take my spoolie brush and brush all my hairs upward. Even if they come out of the line that I've created, I'm brushing them upward. So let me come in close so y'all can kind of see. And then my eyebrow hair is so thin, y'all might can't see them over this big, dark. So yeah. Just brush all the hairs upward. I look so crazy in person. Y'all. Yeah, that's what you gotta do to be a baddie. And you can see like all the areas that ain't really opaque with the freaking liner. That's crazy. That's the areas of my brows that have the most hair. So y'all could see what I mean when I tell y'all my eyebrow hair is crazy. Like, why the bottom part have more hair than the top? Now I'm going to take my tiny scissors and I'm going to trim all of those long hairs that I just brushed up. So I'm basically going to cut them so that they fall in place with the shape I've created. I really want to make sure that they are not long and all over the place, especially the ones in the front, because when I draw my eyebrows on, I like to brush the hairs that are in the front personally, I like that, but not everybody knows what I do. And here on my channel, we do what I like, period. This next brow has so much hair. Let me know in the comment section if y'all could relate to that. Your eyebrow had like one have more hair than the next one. What the hell? And they stubborn, they don't listen. I say go off. Okay. So now I'm gonna brush them in the direction that the liner is going. Or how I would brush them if I was like about to conceal my eyebrows. Now we're gonna go in with the Nair. So normally I would use the Nair that's designed for facial hair removal, but I couldn't find any, and I wasn't about to be driving all over Nassau. So I just got the Nair that's a sensitive formula, and this is $12, y'all. I feel like that's expensive. So yeah, I just put some on the back of this little thing here. I'm gonna take my angle brush and apply this nail the same way I would apply my concealer if I was about to conceal my brow. So it's the same thing I do with my concealer. I just put some a little lower, then I work my way up towards the shape that I've created. For me, this just allows me to control, you know, what I be doing. This part is very important, so that's why I'm being quiet, because I gotta focus. You want to be very precise with where you're placing it, because be mindful that this is hair removal cream, and everywhere you put it, it will remove the hair. Like, it's no ifs, ands, or buts, it's gonna remove the hair. So try not to get it on your lashes. I did that once. Only on the tips though, so it wasn't too bad, but try not to get it on your lashes. Try not to get it on the hair that's already lined with the eyebrow pencil. You want to have a thick layer. So now that I've already got it basically everywhere I want it, and yes, see, all of that has hair. You might can't see it, but all of that has hair. I just pat it on just to make that layer a bit thicker. Because I want this hair to be gone in, you know, one sitting. I don't want it to be patchy. I want it to be gone. Alright, so I'm gonna let this sit on for 10 minutes. It took me about 8 minutes to put this on, I think. I'm gonna let it sit for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it off and come back. And when I wipe it off, I'm just gonna use a warm towel, a warm soft towel, and just literally wipe. So I wiped the Nair off using a warm rag. This is what we're looking like right now. So now I'm just gonna take my aloe. This is literally, I went outside and cut a piece of aloe, and you know, raw aloe. And I'm just gonna soothe all of the areas that had that nail. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. It's like a warm, why say warm? It's like a cool feeling. It feels so good. Y'all have no idea. It's stinky, but it feels so good. And look how clean that brow is. Why I keep dropping things? What's wrong with me? Look how clean that brow is. I live for it. So I just took a leaf, an aloe leaf basically, and cut that in half. So yeah. I put that all over here and I let it sit for another couple seconds. Normally, when I do this, I would like not put no makeup on, but I have to wear makeup today. It looks a little puffy and a little bit swollen, but that goes away. It goes away. It feels really fine. So once my aloe gets dry, like how it is now, as we can see it, I just squeeze it, like bend the two halves together. And yeah, got more juice. I don't know what y'all, but I like to like slimy it up. And it's so funny that you can see all the bright areas. It almost looks kind of red. Almost looks like redness. That's how it's picking up on camera, but it ain't really red in person. And this is not my first time doing this, guys. I've actually been doing my eyebrows like this for years. Like a very long time. So don't be alarmed. Don't think I'm experimenting and I'm telling you all to go experiment. And actually, I'm not even like, I'm not trying to force you all to do this. I'm just showing you guys what I do. You ask what I do, and I'm just showing you. So if you do decide to do it, let me know. I'd love to see it. Okay, so this aloe is gonna sit on for a couple of minutes. Probably 5-6 minutes. I just wanted to get in close so y'all could see what it's looking like right now. It looks darker there because all of the brow liner didn't come off. But once I let the aloe sit, I'm gonna go wash my face. And then I'm gonna soothe it with the Vaseline cream. So yeah. See y'all in a minute. Okay guys, and this is the final product. Give you that nice, clean, sleek look. And I don't know, I like it. It works for me. So comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if this is something you're willing to try. A lot of people are actually scared that they're gonna like fuck shit up. But it's pretty simple. I hope I explained it like really clearly for you guys and that would suffice. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. Be good out there, guys, and if you can't be good, please be careful. Bye.
I woke up like this. I woke up like this. Ladies,